Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. If you love juicy, flavorful chicken, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm showing you how to cook chicken thighs in a way that will totally surprise your family and guests. Forget frying. We're baking these in the oven and stuffing them with an amazing, savory filling. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 6 to 8 chicken thighs, 250 grams of champignon mushrooms, 120 grams of cheese. We love a nice melting cheese like mozzarella. 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, olive oil, a stick of butter, soy sauce, honey, sweet chili sauce, and turmeric for that perfect balance of flavor. Start by chopping your mushrooms and onion into small pieces. You can also use any other vegetables your family loves. For today, we're keeping it simple with these fresh champignons. Next, mince your garlic. It adds so much flavor to the filling. Now let's saute the mushrooms, onion, and garlic in a little olive oil on medium heat. You want them nice and soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the veggies are tender, it's time to add our seasonings. A teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a pinch of salt and pepper will give this mixture a beautiful depth of flavor. Stir it in and let the aroma fill your kitchen. Now, let's prepare the chicken thighs. We're going to carefully make a pocket in each thigh to stuff them. Gently cut along the side, making sure not to cut all the way through. Be careful, you don't want to tear the chicken, just create enough space to fit that tasty filling. Now stuff each chicken thigh with your mushroom and onion mixture. Pack it in nice and tight so every bite will be full of flavor. Before we pop these in the oven, drizzle a little olive oil over the top and add small dollops of butter for extra richness. To give these thighs a sweet and savory boost, we're adding a little soy sauce, honey, and a touch of sweet chili sauce. This will caramelize beautifully in the oven. Finally, add a pinch of turmeric. It's optional, but it adds a lovely color and a hint of earthiness. Now, we're going to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and golden brown. Look at that! Beautifully baked chicken thighs with a crispy caramelized exterior and a flavorful gooey filling inside. You can't get better than this. This chicken is a hit every time. Serve it with your favorite sides and watch your family or guests ask for more. So next time, skip the frying and try baking these amazing stuffed chicken thighs. Cook with love and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you give this recipe a try. See you next time.